Thomas, it's me, Lily here. Today we're going to be playing some Tower of Extreme Dying, Heckadoodling, Raging, you know. So this bit's pretty easy, nice and simple for a start. You know, not too bad. I might fall on these jumps. I've just fell on them before. But, you know, it's okay. The stage is alright. I've done this stage before. I don't like it much, to be honest. I always wait for this bit to like open up fully. Yeah, I really don't like the stage, which means I'm going to go into my settings, skip the round, because that is just... So this one, I guess, is really easy. Not too hard. But, you know, let's just jump and get this bit over with. You know, jump, jump, jumpity jump. Okay, next thing we're going to go. This level looks easy-ish. Never mind, these jumps are quite far. This one I might need to take my time. Okay, this is better. Don't question it. This one I used to be really scared of going on, but then I realised it's quite simple. For me it is anyways. The next thing you know, I'll be dying on it, you know. So it's really easy, and then after 2 seconds I'll be dying. This one is kind of simple. You just need to try not to go on the jump through the laser, and then you're good to go. Because okay, this one it's easy, but I'm just being a really big fat noob now. Let's try getting back up there, speedy. Woo! Boop, boop, boop. I'm being such a big fat noob right now. Lol. Lol. Try not to act like a noob. Ooh, this round looks fun. This one's fun. Long. So let's change that to transparent. I'm very random on this account. Like, I say I'm gonna do something and then I just end up not doing it. Lol. Don't ask why randomly swapped. This content is really bad. Lol. Jump. 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 I'm sweating, guys. Jump. Jump. That was nice to know, isn't it? Oh, gish. Wait, let's see, how can I do the shortcut? Okay, got it. At least I tried. At least I tried. You haven't listened to me that I had to learn. And so sorry that my heart reaches burn. Level up, wishing that would die. No idea what that was. That was just my fit of rage. I'm raging, so please ignore that. Ignore the fact that I'm raging, everybody. Just ignore it, you know, like, ignore it, because that's the best thing to do. Sorry about that. Got it. Sometimes I don't wanna be happy. Doing all the day game thing. Up and down, just let it say out. Peace. This stage was pretty easy. There was no lasers or anything involved. Circle of love. Jump, 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 jump. Circle of life. I almost fell there. Okay. I'm really close to the top, so if I fall out, I'm probably going to rage and end the video. I mean, who can mess up on this one? Lol. I mean, I can mess up on this one sometimes. It's the ladder bit that normally makes me mess up. I've nearly made it, guys. Yes, I made it. So what I'm gonna do now is just end the video, I guess. Lol. Anyways, guys, I hope you have an awesome day, and see you all next